we can really organize this a lot better, because kind of like we first got this here put here, we want to try to get some things, have little storage areas and so forth. And basically, as you can see, we have electricity in here, but we have not even hooked that up yet. But last time I was in here, I sprayed a lot, and guess what? You see all these here black bull answers? Yeah, they were all clustered up in here. So, but we're gonna do what the plan is tomorrow is to get it popping, get this here in a lot better organization. And this is a preview of how it looks right now. We got stuff all on the floors. And basically what I'm gonna plan on doing is get a couple more shelves to put in. Let me see, 1, 2, 3 more shelves to put in. Alright, okay, so we did get, a little bit of organization going on with this shed. If you can see before, things was everywhere. Kind of got some of the woods off the ground, put them up there. Got another shelf and put it in here and kind of stacked up some stuff. It's a little bit more organized because you got more floor space. But the plan is to probably put um, one more shelf in here. Maybe 2 more shelves. Because I can still see where we can do a little bit more with getting some more stuffs off the ground. And just, but that's a little bit better because we had things everywhere and then you couldn't allow it to come in here. But now, as you can see, we got things a little bit more you could just kind of walk in and walk through. But I'm seeing where there's tons of storage space in here that we can utilize. So, and yeah, like a lot of these things here that's down there, and still these could be taken off. And I'm gonna put two shelves, but I couldn't find. The problem was I like these shelves that are very easy to assemble. These ones here with the plastic, they're lightweight and also they're very easily assembled. I had to end up getting this one here, and that's all they had, so I had went ahead and got that. I don't know, so now I'm gonna go ahead on and see if I can still find this one and get like two to put in here, and maybe one in the garage. Try to organize some more things. Hi YouTubers. So this is what I'm working with. I'm gonna get this set up, but I wanted to give a preview of the items, because this item here, or this product or storage unit, it has 5 shelves, and basically so as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, so it's 5 of these here. And it's just I've had it before, and I've used the product before. I think it's a great product because it's so easy to put together. That's the thing. Once you snap all these little things together, you put your, basically this is the bottom right here, and these are the little legs. And so you have 4 of those, and that's going to be what everything is standing on. So once I put those 4 pieces in, all I got to do is, kind of like put it together, and it's just like a tower. And that's it. Okay, so this is the final results. I've got some more shelving that I'll be needing to use. And so, before I had, as you can see, I had a lot of things that were pretty much on the floor, and I got to kind of just a little bit more organization going here. So we have some more floor space and also shelving space, which is what I need, because I have a whole shelf pretty much free. And I can also, put some things, up there that I got coming in and what have you. But that's basically it, guys. The final result. Putting the shelves up. That's 2 shelves. These 2 shelves was just installed. These 2 right here. And that's the end result. Thank you, and like and subscribe to my video. I appreciate it, and have a great evening.